Hello, friends. I hope you are doing great. First of all, let me thank you accepting the new release of Stockage version 7. We were absolutely overwhelmed by the response we got from all of you. So, thank you so much for supporting us in our endeavors as always. This video, I'm going to talk about the weekly market, what is happening in the market right now, what we should do, and how we should plan our trading journal for the next week. तो चलिए अपने चलते हैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर में. सो एज आई ऑलवेज से दैट फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, अगर मार्केट का व्यू बनाना है सो वी हैव टू लुक एट डॉलर इंडेक्स. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन डॉलर इंडेक्स? It's pretty much right there at 93. It did try to cross it. That's why market became a bit jittery. But then again, it has gone down. So pretty much market is still intact to go up because dollar index is almost at a flattish level. And if that happens, chances of Nifty components going up will always be higher. Let's look at the other indices in market, the smaller cap and the mid cap indices. So there was fair bit of correction happened in mid cap and small caps because of the rally which they have seen since March 2020, and this correction is looks like it is a correction. And if market continues to go up, possibly small cap and mid caps will also go up. But remember, they have become expensive. They have already gone up so much. I strongly feel that now for the coming few months, large caps will lead this rally. So probably look out for the stocks. Selective mid caps is also very good, but probably look out for the stocks in large cap, which should do good. So for me, large cap is basically Nifty 50 and Junior Nifty, which is the next Nifty 50. So either you can focus on NSE 200 stocks or the major stocks which are part of the Nifty basket. As far as small cap is concerned, you see the correction is there. It is slightly recovered from that correction, but very honestly, although it is still bullish, but do we see that kind of an outperformance in small cap from here on? I have my doubts. So I will bet my money more on large caps and mid caps from here on. As far as sectors is concerned, I think metal is inversely related with dollar because dollar is flat, it is not going up. So I don't see major concern in metals. Obviously, these are all cyclical sectors, so there will be corrections and there will be recovery. But metals के अंदर में मुझे लगता है कि एक पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रहना चाहिए हम लोगों का. एंड IT is always good. And I've been talking about IT sector very candidly since the sector has been going up, that long term के अंदर में IT is definitely good. Reality has surprised me. I was expecting real estate to remain up, but maybe for a short term trading it may not be a good sector. But yes, from here on for 4-5 years view, I think real estate sector and stocks around that real estate sector, it could be housing, it could be building, it could be home deco, etc. The entire industry related to real estate should do good over a period of 4 to 5 years. In short term trading, there will be enough volatility to get butchered. PSU banks, I don't trust. Private banks, hopefully they will perform. If Nifty has to move from 16,700 to 18,000, which is a possibility till Diwali or around that time, private banks should perform well. So we have seen some moonshots coming in private bank, some kind of a recovery. SDFC has shown, ICICI obviously is leading the rally. Hopefully that outperformance of private bank will always be there. So this is more or less market view. I don't see an area of concern in the market. Sectors are also clearly available for us to play around. Now you have to identify the good stocks. Now how do you identify the good stocks to trade in the market if you're an active trader? You all know that we have a strategy hosted in our Stockage app. You go to strategy section. You go to a bullish strategy section, and there is something called Eagle strategy. A lot of you actually have seen Eagle strategy working well for you. So this is a list of stocks which are Eagle stocks. Now, how do I pull that Eagle list? If you want to use Stockage to analyze these Eagle stocks, pretty much the format is there. You can use Stockage to identify the entry and exit point in these Eagle stocks. But if you want to do advanced technical, which I have taught people in my free Learn to Trade series in my YouTube channel. You can follow that advanced technical in TradingView. Now, how do you pull Eagle stocks into a TradingView watch list is something which I'm going to teach you. So this is it. We have introduced the download Excel section. So you just say yes, you download it, you open the file, and all the Eagle stocks, the major stocks means the stock either is part of NSE 500 or is part of BSE 500. So all the major Eagle stocks are available right here, and symbol is also available. Now you just insert a column and put a formula, this symbol and underscore within the exclamation. So that means you are adding a comma with the symbol, and you just copy it. So all the symbols with the comma is here. Now you copy, Control C, copy, go to TradingView, maybe create a new list called Eagle. If you want to create a new list, create a new list called Eagle. You can give a date to this list also if you want. And in Eagle, just press this plus and Control V. So you see all the symbols with the comma is getting pasted here. Just enter and all your stocks is right here in front of you. So the process of converting that Eagle Scan stock list to TradingView is now very, very simple. You just have to make an effort. Try to make an effort every weekend, maybe every Saturday, and see the list of stocks which are Eagle stocks. Now, how do you play strategy in them? Obviously, the stock, Eagle stock, where relative strength is still more than 0, which is our first criteria, and maybe 2 hourly. If you are short swing trader, maybe 2 hourly is also strong and super trend is buy. So if there is a price breakout happening in that stock in any time near soon, you would like to participate. So you see this is the swing high of Alkaline, and you insert a alert here. So yes, I have added an alert. So whenever the stock price moves above this level, I will get an alert and I will trade when I get the alert. Always remember, don't be in a hurry to trade a lot. Trade only when there is an opportunity to trade. And Eagle stocks provide that exact setup, an opportunity to trade any stock. So Alkaline, Navin Fluoro. So you just have to do one thing. Yes, it's a strong stock, criteria 1 met. Yes, on 2 hourly basis also it is a strong stock and super trend is buy. Now whenever the price will cross previous swing high, so previous swing high of Navin Fluoro is this 3888. Whenever the price crosses that previous swing high, I should get an alert so that I can participate in that swing move. So study all these stocks every Saturday. Make a list of these stocks, figure out which stock has the potential to give you more momentum in next week, and participate in these stocks based on the momentum which is expected next week. Start this process. Make a list of stocks. So every weekend you can make this list and work on only these stocks for next week. If you want to become a sensible momentum trader, so stocks where there is a high scope of momentum is something you should only focus on. And Eagle or any kind of combination which you can create your own combination has the potential to give you that kind of momentum entry. A bit of stock selection and a bit of charting where you see the previous swing high and you participate when the previous swing high is getting broken. Your stop loss and take profit will be dependent on the knowledge which I have already shared on my YouTube channel. If you have not seen that, please see the Learn to Trade series to understand what I'm trying to say. Follow this format, you will be sorted in market as a trader. And obviously as an investor, you have to look at various fundamental parameters to invest in any stock which has some potential value or growth opportunity. That's a different science. But trading is momentum, and Learn to Trade has already made this very simple for you. So I hope you're going to follow this. Thanks guys. If you like the video, do share this video with your friends. I hope you are doing market work properly. Weekends are the great time to do the homework, and weekdays are the perfect time to implement the right opportunities available in the market. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I hope you do good and take care of your health. Bye-bye.